Understanding Sensor Bias, an essential guide for language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the term sensor bias. This phrase is not just interesting, but also very relevant in today's technology-driven world. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this term together. First, let's break down the term into two parts, sensor and bias. A sensor is a device that detects or measures something, often used in technology and science. Bias, on the other hand, refers to a tendency to lean in a certain direction, often unfairly or based on preconceived notions. When we combine these words, sensor bias refers to a situation where a sensor might have a predisposition or inclination that skews its readings or measurements. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. Imagine a temperature sensor that is consistently reading temperatures higher than they actually are. This would be a case of sensor bias. In a more complex scenario, facial recognition technology might show sensor bias if it more accurately recognizes faces of certain races over others, which can be due to the data it was trained on. These examples help us see how sensor bias can occur in different technologies. While sensor bias is a technical term, it has broader implications in our everyday language. It's often used to discuss fairness and accuracy in technology. For example, when discussing new gadgets, someone might ask, "Does this device have any sensor bias?" This question is important because it touches on the reliability and fairness of the technology we use daily. And that wraps up our discussion on sensor bias. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand not just the meaning of the term, but also its significance in our technology-driven world. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the context in which they are used. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.